Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mehed Masat Naif. I am a proud learner of Mozaro Smart English for Kids. My teacher's name is Nadia Haq. Today my topic is jobs name. I am talking about jobs and occupation. Teachers teach student. Doctors look after our health. Nurses help doctors. Actors play character in the movie. Farmers grow grain. Pilots fly airplane. Farmers look after animals and grow grain. Engineer build machines and engine. Pharmacist produce medicine. Cooks make tasty food. Bakers bake cupcake. Footballer is a professional football player. Police officer help to maintain law and order. Thank you for listening.